I unplugged it. So it's supposed to be a special warning that remains in effect until 7 p.m. So let's listen.
National Weather Service forecast for the Washington metro area and the surrounding KHB listening area. Tonight, cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Then a slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Sunday, partly sunny with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. North winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming southwest in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 40%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 60s. South winds around 5 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Chance of precipitation 40%. Monday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday, showers likely and a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Lows around 60. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday through Friday, partly cloudy. Highs around 80. Lows in the upper 50s. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach. Tonight, west winds 10 to 50. Gusts up to 25 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Then a slight chance of showers after midnight. Saturday, northwest winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot. A slight chance of showers. Saturday night, southwest winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot. Sunday, southeast winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of thunderstorms. Sunday night, southeast winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of thunderstorms. Monday, south winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers during the night. Winds and waves higher. Visibility is lower and no thunderstorms. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Smith Point. Tonight, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Gusts up to 25 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. A chance of thunderstorms until midnight. A chance of showers. Saturday, northwest winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of thunderstorms with a slight chance of showers. Saturday night, 5 knots. Waves 1 foot. Sunday, southeast winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Sunday night, south winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of thunderstorms. Monday, south winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers. Winds and waves higher, and visibility is lower and near thunderstorms. The next 2 high tides on the tidal Potomac at Washington, D.C. will be at 10:35 tonight, and again at 10:48 Saturday morning. The next 2 high tides at the Thomas Point Lighthouse will be at 7:31 this evening, and again at 7:27 Saturday morning. Brief wind gusts on the tidal Potomac and Patuxent. Southwest winds will occasionally be gusting up to 20 knots along the mid and upper tidal Potomac River as well as the Patuxent River through the afternoon. These winds will be interrupted by approaching thunderstorms, which will pose their own localized strong wind threat. By 6 or 7 p.m., winds should be from the west at 10 to 15 knots. Mariners, especially those in small craft, should exercise extreme caution boating this afternoon. Keep an eye to the sky. Do not hesitate to seek safe harbor if conditions warrant. A special marine warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for the following areas: Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River at 6:07 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from Roman Cove to 13 nautical miles southwest of Thomas Point Light, or from Mattapick to 5 nautical miles west of Herring Bay, moving east at 25 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Roman Coke, Bloody Point Lighthouse, Poplar Island, Shops Island Lighthouse, Knapp's Narrows Bridge, Black Walnut Point, James Island, Choptown River. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally, high winds and dangerous lightning can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A special marine warning remains in effect until 7 o'clock p.m. for the following area: Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland at 6:07 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 6 nautical miles northwest of Widewater to Smallwood State Park, or from 4 nautical miles west of Quantico to 2 nautical miles southeast of Indian Head, moving east at 15 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Widewater, Port Tobacco.
Let's check out the other stations.
Can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor.
22 at Salisbury, mostly sunny skies. It was 90 with a heat index of 101. Wind southwest.
Warning has weakened. Thus, the severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire. Heavy rain will continue to cause issues around Dumfries. Gusts on the tidal Potomac and Patuxent. Southwest winds will occasionally be gusting up to 20 knots along the mid and upper tidal Potomac River as well as the Patuxent River through the afternoon. These winds will be interrupted by approaching thunderstorms, which will pose their own localized strong wind threat. By 6 or 7 p.m., winds should be from the west at 10 to 15 knots. Mariners, especially those in caution boating this afternoon. Keep an eye to the sky. Do not hesitate to seek safe harbor if conditions warrant.
The current time is 6:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
The marine forecast for the coastal waters from Fenwick Island to Kentucky and now 20 nautical miles. Through 7 p.m. Southwest winds 15 to 20 knots. 3 to 4 feet with the dump.
At 15 miles east of Fenwick Island, the temperature was 77 degrees.
15 knots after midnight. 3 to 4 feet with the dominant period of 6 seconds. Scattered thunderstorms in the evening. Scattered showers.
Alright. So let's go.
A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Saturday night, southwest winds 5 knots. These 2 feet. These 2 feet. A shower. Tuesday. Of thunderstorms in the evening. A chance of
It works in the back.
cold front will cross the region this week. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Baltimore metro area and the surrounding listening area. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Lows in the low 70s. Wet. Chance of rain 50%. Mostly cloudy in the morning. Locally, high winds and dangerous lightning can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this.
On the waters, Thomas Point Lighthouse was 80 degrees. The wind was northwest at 5 knots, gusting to 33, and the water temperature was 79 degrees. At Piney Point, the wind was west at 4 knots.
A statement from the National Weather Service. At 6:16 p.m., Doppler radar detected a line of thunderstorms extending from Triangle Creek, Mackay's Point, Nanjinoy Creek. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots, low 40 miles per hour can be expected. Heavy rain with these thunderstorms will reduce. Well, there's no way I'm going to miss that. Thunderstorms until midnight. Saturday, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Saturday night, west winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot. Sunday, southeast winds around 5 knots.
Partly sunny.
Well, I'll see you tomorrow.